football. 2017 autographed jersey edition. I have Series 10, boxes 72, 28, and 62. Good luck, everybody. This was a random teams break. If you haven't checked our channel out before, please do so. Come check us out 7 nights a week at breakers.tv/BoomCityBreaks. All right, folks. Good luck. Hopefully, we hit something big here. Hear the popping of the seals. And we have a YA Tittle. We have been Tittled again tonight, folks. YA Tittleville. Going out to Big DP. Hall of Famer 1971. Tittle, he's our man. And if he can't do it, no one can. There's the serial number on that Tittle. If you've seen one Tittle, you've seen 50. So there it is, folks. That's right, baby. Leaf Authentic certification on that bad boy. Big DP is going to be happy to see that in the morning, folks. Alright, here we go. Can you hear the popping of the seals right there? There we go. That's a better hit. How about Chad Johnson from the Cincinnati Bengals? Ocho Cinco, Chad Johnson. That's going to go out to Raw Dog. Nice one, Raw Dog. This is a custom jersey, bud, but a very nice one. And it comes with your JSA certification. Nice, buddy. Raw Dog taking down the Chad Johnson. Very nice one there. There it is. Alright, nice hit there, Raw Dog. Congrats, buddy. Alright, folks. And here we go for the last box of the 3-boxer. You're going to hear the popping of the seals. Wow, 2 back-to-back Chad Johnsons. Holy hell. Wow. 2 back-to-back Chad Johnsons. Insane. I don't think I've ever seen that happen before. Raw Dog said, let's go. Same certification, JSA. Damn. Yikes. Woo. Yeah, no kidding, man. That was not the greatest 3-boxer at all. The Chad Johnsons were good. It's just, damn, we didn't need 2 of them there. All right, guys, that completes the 3-boxer. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time for Boom City Breaks.